We saw some variations in our high temperatures today. We saw temperatures in the 50s, the 40s, and the 30s for our highs throughout the viewing area. The southeastern portions of the viewing area, they saw the warmest temperatures in the 50s. As you get north of I-70, places like Charleston up to Champaign, we're in the mid to low 40s, and then Taylorville was a colder day today, only got up to 38. We saw these temperatures dropping throughout the day today, and really the Robinson and Terre Haute just saw that temperature drop later, letting those temperatures get a little bit higher up. But as we're moving overnight tonight, we're seeing these temperatures get a little bit closer together. We're in the lower 40s in Terre Haute and Robinson, the 30s throughout the rest of the viewing area. We are seeing some rain in a couple areas here in Charleston, but we could see some isolated rain throughout the night or potentially some snow as those temperatures drop, because we're going to drop down into the upper 20s. A low of 26. We see, again, isolated rain or snow and some stronger winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour. So it's going to be a little bit of a blustery night tonight. But as we look at our futurecast, you can see we're going to start to clear up as we move through the day tomorrow. You do see those isolated rain. It's cloudy throughout the evening tonight, and as we move through into tomorrow, we're going to see some breaks in the clouds, but the clouds really aren't going to completely break up until you get to the early to mid-afternoon hours tomorrow. This is around 3 p.m. Most of those clouds are out of the area. We'll be left with mostly sunny skies, by the end of the day tomorrow, but still going to be very cold as we move through the day tomorrow. We're only going to get up to 30 for our high. Again, our low tonight is 26. We're really only going to see a 4-degree increase in temperature. Again, those clearing skies, but a chilly day. We will see those winds die down as we move through the day. Mostly in the evening hours is when they're going to die down. We see those winds at northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. They shift to 5 to 10 miles per hour by the evening hours tomorrow. So with those stronger winds, that means we're going to see a little bit of a wind chill to start our day. And you can see almost a 10-degree difference in the morning as we move through the day. 26 is actual temperature at 7 a.m. It feels like 15. It's going to feel like teens throughout most of the morning up until around noon. Then we're going to see still that 10-degree increase. And as we move through the day, we're going to see that gap get a little bit closer as those winds die down. But it's going to be a very cold day, really out of character for what we've been seeing these last couple of days, but closer to what we're used to for this time of year. Now, as we look at our drought monitor, it's Thursday, so we got to see the drought monitor, and we see some good news, a lot of change in here. And that change is that we are in normal conditions. Those dry conditions are out of the area. We've gotten a good amount of precipitation throughout the last couple of weeks. That's helped bring us out of those dry conditions. Hopefully we don't get too much rain, but we are expected to be above normal for our precipitation, so we could be seeing some more rain as we move into the end of next week and past that. But as we look at our weekend, we are going to see a little bit of colder temperatures tomorrow. However, Saturday we start to warm up again. We see some clouds building throughout the day on Saturday. We have a high of 46. And then Sunday, it's really going to be a beautiful day, a high of 55, sunny skies. As we move to Monday, we're going to see drop down just a little bit. We're going to see temperatures kind of stay very close to each other as we move into next week. 50s are going to be the number to look at up until around Wednesday. That's because of what we're seeing in the jet stream. This is Friday. We're seeing those lower temperatures because of a trough of cold air over top of us. But as we move forward, we're not seeing much north and south movement anymore. As we move towards into next week, we're seeing mostly west to east movement. That's going to keep those temperatures somewhat stagnant to what we're going to each other. You'll see that here up until Wednesday. Then we get up to 65 on Wednesday with the chance of rain.